All right, future doctors. Welcome back to Quiz for NEET, your ultimate destination for cracking NEET with full Josh and proper concept clarity. Today's video is going to be super duper helpful, especially for biology, because we're doing a rapid fire round of high yield, most expected MCQs. These are not just any questions. These are the ones that either repeat often, confuse many, or can help you save crucial seconds in the exam hall if you understand the trick behind them. So whether you're in the early stages of preparation or revising in your final lap, this session is must watch. And don't you dare skip till the end, because I'm not only giving you the correct answers, but also teaching you how to think like a topper, how to eliminate wrong options, and how to master the art of intelligent guessing when needed. So ready? Let's begin. Q1. Which of the following is an example of a unicellular organism? A. Dog. B. Fungi. C. Tree. D. Paramecium. Correct answer? D. Paramecium. Paramecium is a classic example of a unicellular eukaryote. Dog, fungi, and tree are all multicellular. Q2. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with A. Study of genes. B. Study of inheritance. C. Study of ecosystems. D. Classification of organisms. Correct answer? D. Classification of organisms. Always remember, taxonomy, naming plus classifying living organisms in an organized way. Q3. The process by which green plants convert sunlight into chemical energy is called A. Respiration. B. Reproduction. C. Digestion. D. Photosynthesis. Correct answer, D. Photosynthesis. In presence of sunlight, chlorophyll captures light and makes food. That's photosynthesis. Q5. The branch of biology that deals with the study of fossils is called A. Genetics, Paleontology, C. Ecology, D. Biotechnology. Correct answer, B. Paleontology, fossils equals past life equals paleontology. Super important for evolutionary biology. Q6. Which of the following is an example of an autotrophic organism? A. Fungus. B. Human. C. Algae. D. Lion. Correct answer, C. Algae. Algae use sunlight to make their own food, hence autotrophic. Q7. Which of the following is a characteristic of all living organisms? A. Ability to grow and develop. B. Ability to reproduce. C. Ability to respond to stimuli. D. All of the above. Correct answer, D. All of the above. Every living organism must show all these characteristics at some point in life. If not, it's not alive. Q8. The branch of biology that deals with the study of fossils is called A. Paleontology. B. Genetics. Biotechnology. D. Ecology. Correct answer, A. Paleontology. Yes, repeating because it's that important. NEET loves asking fossil questions. Q9. Which of the following is not a kingdom in the five-kingdom classification system? A. Plantae. B. Animalia. C. Fungi. D. Viruses. Correct answer, D. Viruses. Viruses are not placed in any kingdom because they're not truly living outside host. They're exceptional. Q10. The study of the structure and function of cells is called A. Genetics, B. Anatomy, C. Physiology, D. Cytology. Correct answer, D. Cytology. Cytology equals cell study. Always remember cyto refers to cell. Q11. The process of converting complex food substances into simpler forms to release energy is known as A. Circulation, B. Digestion, C. Respiration, D. Excretion. Correct answer, B. Digestion. This is the breakdown part, before the nutrients get absorbed. Don't confuse with respiration. Q12. Which of the following taxonomic categories is the highest and most inclusive? A. Phylum, B. Genus, C. Kingdom, D. Order. Correct answer, C. Kingdom. Kingdom is the topmost in the classical hierarchy. The broader you go, the higher the category. Q13. Which of the following is not a characteristic of living organisms? A. Growth and development. Inorganic composition. C. Response to stimuli. D. Reproduction. Correct answer. Inorganic composition. Living beings are made mostly of organic compounds, carbon-based. Inorganic nature is non-living. 14. What is the basic unit of classification in the Linnaean system of taxonomy? A. Species. B. Class. C. Order. D. Family. Correct answer, A. Species. Species is the most specific rank and also the basic unit of biological classification. Q15. Which of the following is an example of a unicellular organism? A. Rose plant. B. Dog. C. Amoeba. D. Human. Correct answer, C. Amoeba. Amoeba is a classic single-celled organism, simple yet complete. Q16. Which of the following is a characteristic of prokaryotic cells? A. Presence of a nucleus. B. Membrane-bound organelles. C. Absence of a cell wall. D. Larger size compared to eukaryotic cells. Note, the actual correct answer is missing in the options. Correction, the correct characteristic should be absence of a well-defined nucleus. So the ideal correct answer is absence of nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Q17. Which of the following is considered the basic unit of life? A. Organism. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. Tissue. Correct answer, C. Cell. All living beings are made of cells, the smallest structure showing all characteristics of life. Q18. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? A. Louis Pasteur. B. Gregor Mendel. C. Carolus Linnaeus. D. Charles Darwin. Correct answer, C. Carolus Linnaeus. He gave us binomial nomenclature, a huge milestone in biological classification. Q19. Which domain of life includes organisms that thrive in extreme environments such as hot springs? A. Protista. B. Eukarya. C. Archaea. D. Bacteria. Correct answer, C. Archaea. Archaea are extremophiles. They survive where most organisms would die. Q20. What term describes the evolutionary process by which unrelated organisms develop similar traits? A. Divergence. B. Speciation. C. Adaptation. D. Convergence. Correct answer, D. Convergence. Think of dolphins and sharks, very different ancestors, but similar shape due to similar environment. Q21. Which kingdom includes multicellular, eukaryotic, photosynthetic organisms such as plants? A. Fungi, Monera. C. Plantae. D. Animalia. Correct answer, C. Plantae. This one's a direct definition of kingdom Plantae. Multicellular plus chlorophyll plus eukaryotic equals Plantae. Q22. Which of the following is the highest rank in taxonomic hierarchy? A. Kingdom. B. Order. C. Family. D. Class. Correct answer, kingdom hierarchy goes kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Q23. What is the term for a group of similar organisms capable of interbreeding? A. Class. B. Order. C. Species. D. Genus. Correct answer, C. Species. Species equals group that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Keyword, fertile. Q24. The system of binomial nomenclature was introduced by A. Charles Darwin. B. Carolus Linnaeus. C. Louis Pasteur. D. Gregor Mendel. Correct answer, B. He gave us the scientific names in the format genus plus species. Q25. In binomial nomenclature, the first word denotes the order, B. Family. C. Genus. D. Species. Correct answer, C. Genus. First word equals genus, capitalized. Second word equals species, small letter, like Homo sapiens. Q26. Which term is used for the science of classification? A. Taxonomy. B. Physiology. C. Genetics. D. Botany. Correct answer, A. Taxonomy. Taxonomy equals classification plus naming, grouping of organisms. Q27. A hierarchical system of classification was first introduced by A. Carolus Linnaeus. B. Aristotle. C. Gregor Mendel. D. Charles Darwin. Correct answer, B. Aristotle. Yes. Long before Linnaeus, Aristotle classified organisms based on habitat and body form. Q28. Which branch of science deals with the study of algae? A. Phycology. B. Botany. C. Mycology. D. Ecology. Correct answer, A. Phycology. Phyco, it's algae, not to be confused with mycology, which is for fungi. Q29. Which of the following is a characteristic unique to living organisms? A. Inorganic composition. B. Non-responsiveness. C. Metabolism. D. Uniform structure. Correct answer, C. Metabolism. Metabolism equals sum of all chemical reactions in the body. Living organisms must metabolize. Q30. The study of fungi is known as A. Zoology. B. Phycology. C. Mycology. D. Virology. Correct answer, C. Mycology. Myco equals fungi. Remember, mushrooms fall under fungi, not plants. Q31. In binomial nomenclature, which part of the name is always capitalized? A. Family name. B. Species name. C. Order name. D. Genus name. Correct answer, D. Genus name. Standard rule. Genus capital, species small. Both italicized in print. Q32. Which of the following levels of classification contains the largest number of organisms? A. Species. B. Order. C. Phylum. D. Kingdom. Correct answer, kingdom. Kingdom is the most inclusive, includes all types of life forms under its category. Q33. What is the main criterion for classifying organisms into kingdoms? A. Evolutionary history. B. Morphology. C. Habitat. D. Genetic makeup. Correct answer, A. Evolutionary history. Modern classification focuses heavily on common ancestry and molecular evidence. Q34. The scientific name of an organism includes A. Order and species, B. Genus and species, C. Class and order, D. Family and genus. Correct answer, B. Genus and species. Binomial equals two names equals genus plus species. E.g. Panthera leo for lion. Q35, the study of insects is called A. Entomology, B. Botany, C. Mycology, D. Phycology. Correct answer, A. Entomology. Insects are everywhere, so this branch is super important in biology and agriculture. Q36, organisms that have similar body plans are grouped into the same. A. Family, B. Order, C. Class, D. Phylum. Correct answer, D. Phylum. Phylum is based on general body plan. For example, vertebrates are in phylum Chordata. Q37, the taxonomic category that comes immediately below family is A. Class, B. Species, C. Order, D. Genus. Correct answer, D. Genus. Hierarchy reminder, family, genus, species. Q38, who was the first to classify organisms into plants and animals? A. Aristotle, B. Charles Darwin, C. Gregor Mendel, D. Carolus Linnaeus. Correct answer, A. Aristotle. The very first classification was broad, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Q39, the term taxonomy was first coined by A. Augustin Pyramus de Candolle, B. Carolus Linnaeus, C. Aristotle, D. Charles Darwin. Correct answer, A. Augustin Pyramus de Candolle. Yes, Linnaeus systematized it, but the actual term taxonomy came later from Candolle. Q40, which category is broader than the genus but narrower than the order? A. Species, B. Family, C. Class, D. Phylum. Correct answer, B. Family, order, family, genus, species. Easy to remember if you practice hierarchy regularly. Take a deep breath. That was a solid 40-question revision session. Would you like to continue with the final block, Q41 to Q60, with the same clarity and exam? Superb! Let's finish strong. Here comes the final block, Q41 to Q60. Again, clear-cut NEET format, full explanation in pure English, no confusion, just clarity and accuracy. Let's go, future doctors. Q41. The branch of biology that deals with the study of hereditary transmission is called A. Cytology, B. Genetics, C. Ecology, D. Mycology. Correct answer, B. Genetics. Genetics equals study of inheritance, genes, and how traits pass from parents to offspring. Q42. What type of organisms does Monera include? A. Multicellular, B. Eukaryotic, C. Prokaryotic, D. Protists. Correct answer, C. Prokaryotic. Monera equals bacteria and cyanobacteria. They are unicellular prokaryotes. Q43. Which characteristic is unique to animals within the kingdom Animalia? A. Autotrophic nutrition, B. Cell wall, C. Multicellularity, D. Nervous system. Correct answer, D. Nervous system. Only animals have a well-developed nervous system among the 5 kingdoms. Q44. The presence of chlorophyll is primarily associated with which mode of nutrition? A. Heterotrophic, B. Autotrophic, C. Parasitic, D. Saprotrophic. Correct answer, B. Autotrophic. Chlorophyll captures sunlight, used by autotrophs to make their own food via photosynthesis. Q45. The largest group of organisms in terms of number of species is found in which kingdom? A. Animalia, B. Fungi, C. Plantae, D. Protista. Correct answer, A. Animalia. Animalia has the maximum biodiversity, especially insects, which form the majority. Q46. Linnaeus classified organisms primarily based on A. Genetic makeup, B. Morphological features, C. Cellular organization, D. Habitat. Correct answer, B. Morphological features. Visible traits like shape, structure, and form, that was Linnaeus' method. Q47. Organisms that derive their nutrition from dead organic matter are called A. Autotrophs, B. Herbivores, C. Saprophytes, D. Parasites. Correct answer, C. Saprophytes. Sapro equals rotten. These organisms break down dead matter, mostly fungi and bacteria. Q48. Which of the following kingdoms contains both unicellular and multicellular organisms? A. Monera, B. Protista, C. Fungi, D. Animalia. Correct answer, B. Protista. Protists include unicellular organisms like amoeba and also multicellular algae. Q49. Which taxonomic category ranks immediately higher than genus? A. Order, B. Family, C. Species, D. Phylum. Correct answer, B. Family. Correct order is family, genus, species. Learn this hierarchy thoroughly. Q50. Which kingdom is composed of eukaryotic, primarily unicellular organisms? A. Monera, Protista, C. Animalia, D. Plantae. Correct answer, B. Protista. Protists are eukaryotic, but mostly unicellular. Example, Paramecium, Euglena. Q51. Which of the following is the defining feature of members of the kingdom Plantae? A. Multicellularity. B. Photosynthesis. C. Nervous system. D. Heterotrophic. Correct answer B. Photosynthesis. Yes, all plants are defined by their autotrophic nutrition via photosynthesis.